Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everyone had a great Christmas. And I know a long time, but yeah, we are back now. So, in today's video, we are gonna see something different. A lot of you guys have tried V0 by Vercel and Scale.pro, Bolt.new, Cursor AI, Claude, and a lot of different tools. But there is, you can say, technical jargons, a lot of technical jargons, a lot of nuances. For instance, if we take V0, we are able to create landing pages, but they're not so responsive. We cannot create authentication flow. It is not easy to publish them as a template also. Of course, you can go to Figma design and then transfer it into a design, but it is not as smooth and responsive as you design. And you have to talk it through a lot of things to actually get the result. But it is not easy to actually change or modify any component or get its code in a good, scalable manner. So today we are going to change that. We are going to explore a new platform which is about to change this. You can create different components. You can create databases, authentication flows right within without writing a single line of code. Yeah, you heard it right. So without further delaying, let's get started. So this is create.xyz. Yeah, that is the domain. Create.xyz, an AI powered platform in which you can create different platforms, prototypes, components, database enabled authentication flows right within the platform, chatting with AI assistant without writing a single line of code. It can be integrated with third party applications and AI applications right within the platform itself. You can have different, and you can publish them public or take them private and develop an actual working prototypes that you can sell. So you can see there are different templates like AI bot landing page, home, fashion deals landing page, self-publishing landing page, social AI landing page, AI learning course, human craft, waitlist page, dashboard components. These are all templates that have been created by our local users. By local users, what I mean is the people like me and you. These people have created. So it is by people for the people. FAQs, Instagram clone, Jessica More's photography, graphic website, and a lot more components are here. You can just scroll and you can see a different components are still loading. These have been created by people just like you and me, and you can just publish them. People can use them. You can earn points and rewards and a lot of stuff. You can filter it through most popular, discover apps and components built by the Create community. If you go to your settings page and you go to community, you can then chat with the community people. They have their own great Discord community in which you can explore lots of opportunities. You can explore lots of ideas and you can collaborate and create some different kinds of different projects. And here are templates given by the Create community itself. You can just pick a template and you can start developing your whole new SaaS platform or an idea you have having in your mind. You can just work on that and develop a prototype directly from the template itself. It's kind of similar like templates by Vercel, but they have an actual working database within without writing a single line of code. You do not have to import any GitHub repository. You do not have to import any kind of code. You do not have to run any local host environment. You can directly select the template and boot it up. As you can see, waitlist page, AI blog generator, AI image generator, simple portfolio, task manager, anonymous post board. If I click on AI image generator, it will directly start here inside this chat page. You can customize this template. You can preview this template home page. It also created different slash routes, so you can actually try it out. If you click on login, it says 404. Oops. So everything is created inside this platform itself. Isn't this great? If you click on customize this template, it will take you to a chat page. Yeah, this is a kind of chat page in which you can actually try and test different templates, different functionalities. You can chat and build different components. So if I click on slash, okay, let us start a new fresh project. You can see there is a lot of things. If you click on new project, view code, new page, new component, new function, you can create databases, you can enable user accounts. So you can actually create a whole user authentication flow without writing a single line of code. And you can just grab your API keys either from Google or Apple or cloud provider, and you can just paste it in. You have different integrations. You have style guides, generation settings, and a lot to it. So get right into it. Projects page. When you click on your icon and you go to my projects, you are presented with your own user dashboard. You can see it is written introducing credits. You get 2000 free credits, and then you can update and upgrade your plan accordingly to get more credits and build something actual working prototype which you want to sell. Of course, there are some upgrades that are going to be happen. So it is written here, changes start from Jan 18th. So do look out on this, and If you want to check anything, please get in touch with their safety team and inquiry team or customer support team, or just post the question in the Discord community. Everyone is there available all the time to help you out in your queries. As we saw that we created a project, an AI image generator. So it is showing up here. This is a test project which I created. So I can test and explore for you guys. Here it is a database option. I created different database like draft users, listings, SaaS Kata kit users, AI image generators. So you can also create by clicking on this new database, and it will create a new database, and you can actually explore the, you can say, listings or your users which you want to secure. If I click on new project here, it will generate a new project and you will be presented with this screen. Now, as you can see, there is a publish button here. You can actually hit click publish button and it will automatically publish this onto your public profile. Of course, if you want to make it private, you have to upgrade into their new plan so that you can keep your projects private. But on a free plan, all your projects will be public. You can rename. This is a new page here. You can actually write the name of the page after the slash, and you can define different paths. Here are some ideas: image generator, a blog writer, ROI calculator, multi-step onboarding flow you can create. If I click here, send and control, I can type, okay, create a login form with Google authentication. And I click here and I click on slash. Now, after writing slash, I get presented with this menu where you can actually integrate different components: stable diffusion, Google Translate, Google Search, Image Search, Audio, Web Scraper, PDF, Google Business Data, Text to Speech, GPT-4, File Converter, QR Code, Domain Inspector, Gemini integration, Anthropic, Rock, Basketball, a lot of things, Google Map, Chakra UI. And if you go on components, you can create new components, you can create new functions, you can create different databases, and you can create assets. You can upload these assets here. And as I backspaced it, it disappeared. Now, send. It will create a Google authentication login form, and it will also show you a code. Also, you can see that it will give you a step-by-step information that how you can actually integrate Google. So for integrating authentication flow, you have to click here and click on enable user accounts and add user accounts. Now for this, you have to click on and database and create new database. So continue building. It created account sign up, it created account sign in, it created accounts login, log out, and Google Form UI. Every database cloud has been created by itself directly and continue build. If you go on code, it will show you the code part of it. If you go on this, it will show you visibility. You can also check responsiveness on different screens. You can also zoom in and zoom out of the whole UI. I have enabled the user accounts. Just enter. And now it is integrating the user accounts directly with the sign-in flow. And now you can see it is showing sign out. If I click on sign out, it will go back to the home page and it will give me the component itself here. Here are some ideas: welcome, help, and sign up. If I, and this is new project. If I go here, return to the dashboard, here you see this second. Now you can click on publish and you can publish this component directly. So people can actually copy the code of your whole onboarding flow and directly use it into their SaaS projects. Isn't this great? Let me know your views on this and let's get further. So this was a quick review of create.xyz. I hope you would have learned a lot new things about this platform and how you can actually kickstart your own development journey right from the beginning without writing a single line of code. You can actually build full scale startup prototypes and your product prototypes without writing any single line of code, bootstrapping it in under 1 month actually, because yeah, in practicality it takes a lot of time to actually ship a prototype. When we see that prototype is being created within a week or within a day, it actually a lot more to that than actually kicking out and rolling out the whole project within 7 days. So yeah, that's that. And of course, a lot more new feature implementations are being done. So they will be rolling out new features on phase basis. They still is in a very early stage. Actually, this is a startup, a bootstrap startup. We are still developing new features and new implementations. So do get into their Discord community and you will be able to know everything. And they also are planning for some new rollout basis features for early adopters and beta users. So you can communicate with them. That's that. I hope you love this video. Any feedback, any suggestions, or any new platforms you want me to try out and explore for you, do let me know in the comments below. Every links and resource have been pinned in the description. Also, I will pin it in the comments below. And if you want to reach out to me, you can just text me on Instagram. You can reach out to me on Twitter. And till then, keep hustling, keep smiling. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I have just finished the recording of my new video. As you can see here, and there is a announcement that I want to make. I know that from a long time I haven't posted anything about my startup. There are only 2 videos on the channel, but rest assured I have been working tirelessly on that. A new video will be out soon explaining everything in detail. A lot of things have happened since then. I have collected feedbacks from different people in different industries across domains and verticals, and I've created a MVP. I've created some landing pages. I then reiterated among them. You will see everything in that video, so stay tuned. I haven't forgotten it, guys. Till then, keep hustling. Bye bye.